Hey, Bill Vasey here. Thanks for watching this video on the SOCKETWorx SQL Connector. In this one, we're going to explore creating data views off your SQL tables and some of the microservices associated with them. Pivoting right to SOCKETWorx Setup and the View page, we can add new views. To do that, you have to pick a table. Once a table is selected, give your new view a name that has to be populated. Once a view has a name, then start picking from the available fields that were set visible in your SOCKETWorx SQL connection. Once fields exist in the selected column, the drag or drop or the up and down positioning arrows can be used to set the column positions. More microservices like the global check allows this view to be shared with all other users with permissions to it. The bulk report option allows it to be collected or accumulated with a single click to generate a list of reports. Microservices continue to include filters. Expressions can be built to filter based upon columns and column criteria. Set sorts, so when you navigate to views, the order of the rows is determined by the sort orders, either ascending or descending. So primary views are created by selecting fields, setting filters, and sorting. Now we have our first view. To navigate to those data views, you would go back to the user interface and the data views page. Once on the control point page, you'll drop down the list of available views, and there is my global view. All other users would see that as just a global view. Any view with a table behind it that has a primary key can be set to edit mode. And very familiar headers, sorts, and filters allows users to navigate to data selection sets very quickly. Once data is filtered down, then column values can be modified, either by entering data manually or using built-in microservices such as copy-paste. All transactions are pending until users initiate a save. At that point, the SQL database is updated, and with a return to data view and using the global search, we can find all of those rows that have been modified. Another microservice is the ability to email data views as Excel reports. So this change can be communicated to teammates by initiating the email export. Full email body modification is possible to explain the report to recipients. And with a click of the checkbox, that email is being sent and successful notification occurs at the bottom. Well, thank you for watching this short tour on SOCKETWorx and its SQL Connector capabilities relative to creating editable data views.